So this looks like a beat up old 1S drone, but this is probably one of the best find and flies of 2023, and I feel like it got not even a quarter of the attention it deserved. This thing has been through like hell and back, and it's still taking hits. The only thing I've had to replace is this a couple times. So let's get some flight footage.
This is the sound that the gods will play to part the clouds. Live rounds on the guards will strip man down. These vibes for the night while the high is right. Take flight, lean sideways. We master the sky, groovy. We Bobby Bird, James Brown and Bootsy College Phil. Feel it in the air, that real. Feel it in the field, feel it in the air, that's real. Feel it in the field, feel it in these frills. You got the chill. Like they're bringing anything to the table. Bro, I'm not your son, see I'm able. I do my own bits. Limited dissonance and missing classic shit. I know that you're feeling it. Blunt rolls and a black pouch. Roaming back streets around south. All my boys, we hit that loud. Feel the vibe when they blast out. Now let me show you exactly what we all about. Let me get I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around. No more summer bounce, let you squeeze out. Keep the indoors when we're throwing down. Oversized jumper with our underwear out. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around. No more summer bounce, let you squeeze out. Keep the indoors when we're throwing down. Oversized jumper with our underwear out. I'm on the sound, hoodie season, back around. No more summer bounce, let you squeeze out. Keep the indoors when we're throwing down. Oversized jumper with our underwear out.